What's up, Buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day with cherries on top. My name is Elvis and you are watching The Golden Drive. And we're about to do something very stupid. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but sometimes in life you gotta dive through things. So I'm LS swapping my 1972 Jaguar XJ6. And it has been a challenge for sure. If you've seen the previous video or videos, yeah, getting the engine apart has not been the easiest task, but it's also been really fun just diving into the unknown. And speaking of the unknown, we're here to do something even more amazing, which you've probably seen in the title, but yeah, that is pretty much the wiring harness. The computer is in the dining room or whatever, but in the living room, but yeah, this is just the wiring harness, and it is just spaghetti of grossness that I took apart. And I could have bought a wiring harness, a standalone wiring harness, for about $450 maybe, but I was like, wait, where's the fun in that? I want to try to see if I can create a standalone harness myself. And so we are going to be trying to pretty much rewire the whole thing and create a standalone wiring harness. And also, I could have also given the computer to someone to tune and turn out the vehicle anti-theft system and some other things like electric fans and all of that stuff to activate them. But I was just like, where is the fun in that? This is probably just gonna be a bad idea. So my plan is, if I mess anything up, I'll probably just go ahead and buy it, but I still want to learn how it is done, how you program a computer, an LS computer, and I also want to learn how you make a wiring harness. So with that said, yeah, I have been going on this site. It is called lt1swap.com. If you guys do LS swaps, you probably know him, but he has a bunch of information out on pretty much what to do and what not to do, as well as like the pinouts, so what each pin does. It is an amazing resource, and it is going to be pretty much instrumental in me doing all of this stuff. So with that said, I have a knife with me. This is freaking sharp, so I already almost caught myself once, but this is for pretty much opening up all this rubberness things. I'm supposed to cut everything and expose the pure wires. And I have my wire cutters. They're in the car, but I probably need to go get them. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna go get the thing for cutting the wires, and then we're gonna dive into this. I'm so excited. Very terrified, but it's gonna be fine. What's the worst that could I'm not gonna say anything. Let us start this. It's 11 p.m. so I don't want to make any noise because I literally have neighbors. So if you hear me, then it means something bad has happened. So yeah, let's get to it. So I have gotten more tools. My wire cutters, or crap, this is wire stripper. Shoot. It also has a wire cutter right there, but anyhow, and I also got this to test for continuity between the wires, my multimeter. So let us get started. I've said that like 50 times. I'm just nervous about starting this. Okay, I'm gonna dive in. So I think the first thing, again, I need to do, and I'm gonna probably keep the thing, I need to open this up. So I'm gonna do that and I'll get back to y'all. Oh, it's not too difficult.
update. I have been wiring this freaking thing for days, if not weeks. These are literally all the wires that I've removed. Like, these are literally not connected to the main harness anymore. And the main harness is literally all over there and here. It is just a mess. It is a disaster. And now I am pretty much doing some soldering because I need to extend some wires like the mass airflow sensor, the transmission stuff, some coil stuff, what else? The injectors, all of that stuff. Some ground that I'm gonna use to ground the fuse block and use to ground, what else? The OBD2 sensor as well. It is a disaster, guys. Oh my gosh.
Whenever an endless engine comes, you need the harness to run it. But the problem is that a lot of the harnesses come locked. And so that's pretty much, you need to find a way to unlock it. You can pay someone to do it, but I want to learn how to do it. So I was like, initially I was like, I'm just gonna pay someone, but I was like, nah, I need to learn how to do it. So as much as I hate wiring, I'm gonna I ended up wiring the whole car, but now I need to unlock the ECU, like delete VATs. It has VATs, so if you don't delete the VATs, vehicle anti-theft system, the car is not gonna start. I'm probably also gonna delete the secondary O2 sensors and some other things, activate the fan 1 and fan 2, yeah, things like that. So with that said, we're creating a custom bench harness. I've already started, so I'll just explain to you guys what I'm doing because I have no idea what I'm doing. Right now, I'm just depinning all of the extra stuff. You need the blue PCM connector. There's blue and red. You need the blue PCM connector. And so I just depinned, or I'm still depinning what they call these guys. You can buy these off of like eBay. They're like 10 bucks or something. Boy, you can go to a junkyard and get them for like 2 bucks. I don't know. But let me just actually start because it is really easy. Initially I was like, crap, this is gonna be forever, but it's actually pretty easy to depin. And you also need to buy one of these. It's like an OBD2 thingy that you need to create. You can also get it from literally any car in the junkyard. But yeah, I'm gonna create the whole harness and I will show you guys once I'm done. So I still need to depin this. To depin it, usually if it's on like a car, if you're doing like a LS harness, like a standalone harness, you would like push this out a little bit and then you would raise it up. Come on, there's like a white thingy there, and you drag it out from the bottom and boom, it's out. But since these ones, they're already snipped off, all the wires are snipped off, so I pretty much just push it through. Come on, push through and just take it from the top, literally. And come on, yes, there it is, came out, boom. Don't get excited, Elvis, and start depinning everything. You can do this in a very bougie way, but I'm not bougie. So the 2 pinks and the 2 oranges go together. The 2 blacks also go together. So I'm gonna keep pin 1, pin 19, pin 20, and pin 58. So I also got this is a plug. You can also use a 12-volt power supply, which is your car's battery, but I'm just gonna use the plug because it has, I think it has 15 volts. You can use 12 to 19 volts. This one has 15 volts, so it's right in between. You're supposed to wanna use 12 to 14, but I think 15 is totally fine. And then an output of at least 1 ampere or 1000 milliamps. So this one has exactly one ampere or 1000 milliamps. So that should be fine. It's just from an old connector thingy. I don't even know what it's from, but I'm just gonna chop the end off like that. And I'm gonna use the red and black wire from here. I apologize if I'm not giving perfect information, but again, I'm kind of learning this as I'm going. So yeah, probably not the best person, but I have connected the OBD2 connector. I don't know if that guy is even gonna work, but just in case anything goes wrong, I brought insurance, which is my glorious fire extinguisher that I'm never going to get to use. Okay, there's a lot of, yep. I need to turn off my multimeter. That's how I used to detect positive and negative from, where's the off button? Okay, there, it's off. So, please God, let this not be a fire. My heart is beating so fast. Okay. No immediate fire.
but it's not on. Crap. I've been waiting for a few days. My OBD2 Link or OBD-MX just got delivered, so I'm gonna try it now on the bench harness that I built. So hopefully this works. I'm not sure it's going to, but because I don't trust my wiring skills, but sometimes in life, whew. Boom, that's plugged in. Let's see if that comes on. Crap, it's not coming on. Oh my gosh, it's actually working. I pretty much had to rewire the whole thing. So, yep. Now, I'm gonna try to pair this. Please work. Oh! 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 It reads it! I'm connecting to it now. Connect. Your device is ready to go. Done. Oh, I have literally connected to the harness. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Okay, so I'm gonna open up PCM Hammer, select device, please work.
Hold on.
Currently reading the PCM. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's probably gonna take a while, I've read. So yeah, we'll wait for everything to complete and then we'll be back. What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day. I am so sorry, I just completely forgot to end the video, but I just wanted to end it by like, wow, like I cannot believe everything that like we have accomplished, because I feel like even though I'm doing it, like you guys are on the journey with me, and it just, and just knowing that it's just awesome. But yeah, so from not knowing anything about wiring, we theoretically and hopefully have wired the whole car, from the injectors, the map sensor, the mass airflow sensor, the transmission wires, everything. We did all the soldering, all the heat shrinking, everything. And hopefully, yeah, in the next episode or in the next video, we're gonna get to wire the Jag and hopefully also do a test fire. I'm so excited. I know, I also forgot. We also built a bench harness from scratch, and also, yeah, plugged it into the electricity. It didn't blow us up. There was no fire, and I actually was able to read the ECU. I unlocked the ECU. I had to use a bin file from somewhere on the internet, but because the file that I had, or my firmware version, was not a very good one for stock, and so I had to download a new one or flash a new one to the ECU, and so now hopefully we should be good. I deleted VATs. I also which is the anti-theft system. I also set the temperatures for the fan 1 and fan 2, so the fans to kick in, cooling fans. Deleted the EGR, did a EGR delete thing in the software. Hopefully everything is good. Everything is just a test. I really hope nothing blows up, but it just is insane. And I flashed everything. Everything went successfully. So I just really hope that my wiring was not terrible. And I really hope everything works. There's so many things that are in place, so many different systems, so many things could go wrong. But hopefully in the next few episodes, or in the next episode, I'm gonna get to wire the Jag completely, and then we'll attempt a test fire. And I'm so scared. I'm excited. There's gonna be fire extinguisher, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Oh my goodness, this has been a journey, and I'm so excited to almost be at the process of starting the car. Oh, it's crazy. Okay, I've talked too much. Hope you guys have an amazingly golden rest of the day, and we are going to chat in the next episode. So again, bye.